Hi, my name is Connor. I'm an engineer at Gumroad, and today I'm going to show you how to get Google Analytics set up with your Gumroad account. So I'm logged into my Gumroad account here, but I'm going to jump over to Google Analytics to start. So if you don't have a Google Analytics account created under your Google account, you're going to need to do that. If you have done this already, you can skip this step. So for account name, I'm just going to put Gumroad Analytics, choose my data sharing settings, and head to the next step. Property name, I'm just going to call Gumroad Analytics, but you can call it whatever you'd like. I'm going to select my time zone and my currency and head to the next step. Put in my business details and head to the next step. And choose my business objectives. I'm just going to put examine user behavior. This will just change what your dashboard looks like. Go ahead and proceed and accept the terms of service. All right, so in order to start collecting data, we need to choose a platform. In this case, we're going to choose web. And in this website URL field, you're going to put your Gumroad domain. I'm going to put mine in here and give it a name. I'll just call it Gumroad. You can enable enhanced measurement if you'd like. Things like page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, it'll track those for you automatically. I'll go ahead and create my stream. And this is the information we need to tell Gumroad what it needs to know to run with Google Analytics. So we don't need to do this. We can go ahead and click out of here. We're not going to do this manually. Gumroad handles this for you. You can go ahead and copy your measurement ID with this button right here. This is the most important thing. And once you have that, you can head over to your Gumroad account and navigate to Settings in the sidebar. And then in this top bar in the settings, you're going to choose Third-Party Analytics. Go to the Google Analytics Property ID field and paste that in. Go ahead and click Update Settings, and when it's saved your changes, you should be all good. So I'm going to go back to Google Analytics here so that we can get to the dashboard. I have a few accounts, so I'm going to navigate to the one I just created and go home. So you'll see this, it'll say no data received yet from your website, or no data received from your website yet. You might see this even after it started receiving data from your website. I've noticed that there's sometimes a little bit of a delay on this particular page. I would recommend when you're just getting set up to make sure everything is working correctly to go to reports and then real time. This seems to reflect information the fastest. So I'm going to go ahead and head over to my page, my Gumroad page, and do a few things to see if it's being tracked in Google Analytics. So I'll add product 1 to the cart. I'll head back to my page and I'll add product 2 to the cart as well. So why not? Let's go ahead and go back, see if anything has shown up yet. Not yet. Should be pretty fast, but we'll just give it a second. I'll try refreshing the page. And yes, it looks like we do see some stuff. So it looks like that both of these pages have gotten views, and we see view item. That event we send when someone looks at an item. Add to cart, we send when someone adds it to the cart. It looks like only one of those has come through. Maybe if we refresh, we'll see the other one. There we go, we see the other one, and if we go in here, we can look at some of the event parameters. In particular, if we look at the page, we'll see the URL, and we can look at the page title, product 1, product 2, as we would expect. And we send a few different events. You can read more about them in the Google Analytics Help Center article where you're viewing this video. But this is all you need to do to get set up with Google Analytics, and you can play around with the dashboard and get some even more detailed insights into how your customers are looking at your products and how they're converting. So thank you very much, and have a great day.